Hi friends, this is Rajkumar. In this video, I am going to show you how to use paste format advanced option. So let me give you brief description of the book 1 and book 2 here. So there are two mixes with RAP and RCA. RAP means reclaimed asphalt pavement material and RCA means recycled concrete aggregates. So there are two mixes in which the RAP content is changed, and also for the RCA mixes the percentage of RCA is changed. So here the units for the RCA content and RAP content is percentage. So here the Y variable is the permanent deformation, corresponding units are the mm. So you can see here the permanent deformation corresponding to the cement 1% and 2% of cement. So the graph corresponding to this book was already drawn. So here you can see the labels and the legends as well as the formatted text for the x-axis and y-axis. So you can see here the the font style for the this text is Times New Roman and the size is 32, and corresponding to the scale values Times New Roman and 24 size. And similarly you can change the scale values, font style and font size. So just click here and select copy format, and click here and select paste format to the all. So if you click so then you can see the corresponding font style and font sizes are same as that of the scale values of the y-axis. Similarly you can change the font style and font size of the x-axis title. So just click here and right click and select copy format all, and here right click and do the paste and select the option all. But if you select the all options, what will be happening? So it will become horizontal vertical direction text. So you don't need this. So just press enter. So what you have to do now, just select paste format and font styles. So select font styles only. So now you can see Times New Roman and 32 size. So this is for only particular one graph. So you can do same type of copy pasting using another graph also. So coming to the graph 2. So in the previous video I showed you how to do copy and pasting using paste format option. So in this video I am going to show you how to use the paste format advanced option. So now right click here, use the copy format all. Now come to this. Suppose if I do paste format, what will be happen? So in the first graph the maximum scale value is 3 only, but in case of second graph the maximum scale value is more than the 3. So and the corresponding values are the more than the 3 in the second graph. And you can see here the legends are placed here, and the font style and font sizes are different from this graph. So just right click here, use the paste format advanced option and come to this. So I'll show you one after another. So if I use all style formats, so if I use all style formats, so whatever the labels here and what is the font size of this label, what is the font size of the legend text, and what is the font size style of this text, so everything will be changed here. So just apply here, you can see what is happening here. So now you can see the labels are added here, and you can see the text with Times New Roman 32 size. This font also changed to the Times New Roman and having the size of 24, and you can see the x-axis also, and you can find the same title that is appeared in the graph 2 before, and you can see the position of the legendary box here. Suppose if I use scales option, so this will be appeared similar to the first one, so you don't need this thing. So now what will you do? Select the color options. If you select the color options, so the same colors will be appeared here. So use the dimensions option, because the dimensions of this graph or this layer frame is different from the graph to layer frame. So that's why I'm here using the dimensions option. So just apply, you can see there is a change in the layer frame. So you can see the layer frame is changed its size once you click on the dimensions. And you can change the text also, and legend translation mode also. Suppose if you are using the color option, and not only this, you can see where the legend box is placed before. So here it was placed, but clicking on this it was changed from here to here. So like this you can use page format advanced option. So thank you.